Been looking at the sky for a little while.
Okay, we're going to do some activity, writing activity. Take out your A4 paper, a piece of A4 paper. Okay, take out your pencil and also a ruler. Okay. Okay, can you see this? Yes, thumbs up. No, thumbs down. Can you see the word there? Can? Okay, now you're going to personalize your jazz chant. Okay, you're going to create your own jazz chant by replacing the words. Okay, for example, okay, like we did just now, we said lunchtime, what for lunch? I don't like chicken and I don't like fish. So you need to replace the word chicken with something that you don't like. For example, you don't like broccoli. Okay, you put there broccoli. I don't like broccoli and I don't like peas. Peas ada. Anything lah. And I don't like spinach. Okay, for example. Okay, I don't like apa lagi? I don't like cheese ke? Something like that. Okay, now please write the chant on your A4 paper with you. Now, I give you 5 minutes to complete this. Do it now. Time ticking. After 5 minutes, I will call up names and you will present your own jazz chant. Okay? Just follow all the words on your screen now and then fill in the blanks with your food. Okay? Whether you like that food or you don't like that food. Okay, recognize what food that you like and what food that you don't like. Yeah? But it cannot be same as our previous jazz chant. Tak boleh sama dengan yang kita nyanyi tadi. Okay? Cannot be the same. Cannot be the same. Must be different. Your own version of jazz chant. Do it now. Do it now. Five minutes from now.
Such a happy day. This is such a happy day. What a happy, happy day. This is such a happy day. This is such a happy day. Been looking at the sky for a little while.
Write nicely, yeah. Write nicely.
And I start to smile.
Can you see all the lines there? The lines. Okay, you need to fill in the blanks with your own food preference. Okay, which food that you prefer? Which food that you like the most? Which food that you dislike the most? Okay, you know yourself. What do you like to eat and what you don't like to eat? Yeah. As for me, I love to eat steak so much. I love to eat something like tom yum. Azazara, sit properly. I love broccoli. I love to eat broccoli so much. I also love carrot. Okay, make sure that you don't have the same words as the previous chant. Ya? Tak boleh sama dengan perkataan makanan tu, tak boleh sama dengan yang kita nyanyi tadi. must be different and must be your own preference. Yeah? You know yourself what you like to eat and what you don't like to eat. Yeah? Okay. I love watermelon. Okay. So awak suka apa? Apa yang awak suka, awak letak kat tempat yang isi tempat tu yang tempat yang suka tu. Myra, you are too far. Are you doing our work? Or are you playing with your scooter? No, okay. Now you need to write. Where is your A4 paper? Okay. Do it now. Nampak ke jauh-jauh tu? Can you see it from far? Do it now, Myra. You have only around 3 minutes left. You need to copy this chant and also you need to replace the word by filling the blank. Okay, for example, lunchtime, what's for lunch? I don't like spaghetti and I don't like meat. For example, I don't like corn and I don't like durian. Lunchtime, what's for lunch? Oh, I like watermelon and I like broccoli. Oh, I like burnt cheesecake and I like bananas. Yummy. Okay, that's for your own reference. Okay, macam tu lah. We're going to do like that. Okay, we're going to do like that. Something like.
Been looking at the sky for a little while.
Let's 1, 2, 3.
Lunchtime, what's for lunch? I don't like fish and I don't like carrots. I don't like eggs and I don't like crab. Lunchtime, what's for lunch? Oh, I like cheese and I like chicken. Oh, I like cake and I like banana. Yummy!
Wow, that's Vidya. Good job. Well done. Okay, Samara, have you done? Okay, now let's hear from Samara. Okay, Samara. 1, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Lunchtime, what's for lunch? I don't like chicken and I don't like fish and I don't like eggs. Lunchtime, what's for lunch? Oh, I like spinach and I like broccoli. Oh, I like spaghetti and I like bananas. Yummy!
Yay! Well done. Okay, how about the others? Anyone wants to give a shot? Let's listen to your own version. Okay, you can raise up your hand. Okay. Okay, Iris Atifah, please unmute yourself.
Okay.
Ready?
Lunchtime,
Okay.
Lunchtime, what's for lunch? I don't like pig and I don't like fish. I don't like meat and I don't like strawberries. Lunchtime, what's for lunch? Oh, I like donut and I like banana. Oh, I like chocolate and I like cucumber. Yummy!
Yummy! I do like cucumbers too. Yes. Okay, well done. Okay, who else? Okay, Raisa. Alamak, sekejap ya. Where have you been? Okay, Raisa. Unmute yourself, Raisa. Okay, Raisa, let's hear from Raisa.
Lunchtime, what's for lunch? I don't like lamb chop and I don't like sausage. I don't like burger and I don't like avocado. Lunchtime, lunchtime, what's for lunch? Oh, I like spaghetti. Spaghetti. And I like orange. Oh, I like mushrooms. I like watermelon. Yummy!
Yummy! Okay, so I love watermelon so much and I hate avocado. Yeah. But I do love eating burgers, you know, burgers, steak. That's me. Yeah, Puvi. Puvi. Let's hear from Puvi. Yes.
Lunchtime, what's for lunch? I don't like cupcakes and I don't like pumpkins. I don't like corn and I don't like Kit Kat. Lunchtime, lunchtime, what's for lunch? Oh, I like broccoli and I like biscuits. Oh, I like cheese and I like donuts. Yummy!
Yummy! Wow, that's great, Puvi. Okay, now let's hear from Sahana. Sahana? Okay, ready?
Lunchtime. Ready.
Okay.
Lunchtime. What's for lunch? I don't like burgers and I don't like carrots. I don't like bread and I don't like apples. Lunchtime, what's for lunch? Oh, I like burgers and I like pizza. Oh, I like meat. Oh, I like banana.
Thank you, Sahana. Well done. Okay, anyone else? Can raise up your hand and we're going to listen to your own version. You need, okay, Anis Madiha. Anis Madiha.
Lunchtime, what's for lunch? I don't like fish and I don't like broccoli. I don't like sausages and I don't like spaghetti. Lunchtime, what's for lunch? Oh, I like pizza and I like bananas. Oh, I like ice cream and I like donuts. Yummy!
Wow, well done, Anis Madiha. You got the correct rhythm. And also, your pronunciation very great. Okay, well done, Anis Madiha. Okay? Okay, anyone else? Okay, Lucia Devi. Okay, Lucia Devi. Lucia Devi, where are you? Unmute yourself. Okay, tekan. Turn on your mic, please. Lucia Devi. Lucia Devi, unmute yourself. Cannot? Yes? No? Okay.
Yes, Lucia Devi.
Okay, done.
Lunchtime. What's for lunch? I don't like chicken and I don't like butter. I don't like cheese and I don't like pineapple. Lunchtime. What's for lunch? Oh, I like carrots and I like burger. Oh, I like broccoli and I like ice cream. Yummy!
Yummy! Yay! Great! Lucia Devi. Okay, now let us hear from who else? I know Nasrin.
Like apple, I don't love cookies, just like tomato. Lunchtime for lunch. Oh, I like carrots and I like broccoli. Oh, I like banana and I love mushroom. Yummy!
Yummy! Great great, Aina Nasrin. Yay. Okay, who else? Anyone else? Okay, you can raise up your hand. Okay, we're going to listen to your version. Okay, kejap. Kita nak tengok. Okay, My Sarah. My Sarah, please turn on your mic. Okay, please.
Lunchtime. What for lunch? I don't like broccoli and I don't like durian and I don't like banana and I don't like candy. Lunchtime. What for lunch? Oh, I like watermelon and I like chicken. I like burger and I like cake. Yummy!
Hey, My Sarah. Hey, I love durian so much. Okay, I'm a durian lover. Okay. Who else want to give a shot? Anyone? Okay, please raise up your hand. Okay, now is the time for you to shine and show your talent to us. Anyone? Okay, Amina. Okay. Turn on your mic, Amina. Please.
Lunchtime. What's for lunch? I don't like tomato and I don't like cabbage. I don't like chili and I don't like carrots. Lunchtime. What's for lunch? Oh, I like chicken and I like crab. Oh, I like bananas and I like hot dog. Yummy!
Yummy! That's great, Amina. Well done. Okay. Anyone else? Shah, okay, please turn on your mic. Okay, please, Anisha.
Lunchtime. What for lunch? I don't like peanuts and I don't like bananas. I don't like fish. I don't like strawberries. Lunchtime. What for lunch? Oh, I like broccoli and I like apples. Oh, I like ice cream and I like pupils. Yummy!
Yummy! Okay, well done, Anisha. Okay, who else? Anyone? Last one, okay, because we have less than 1 minute. Okay, Alma, please. Turn on your mic, Alma. Alma, hurry up. One Alma. Okay. Please, one Alma.
Lunchtime. What for lunch? I don't like candy and I don't like ice cream. Don't like cheese.